Yeah, boy. These quick release hangers arrived in the mail. Got a packet of 8, so it's like a pack of 2 really. You need 4 for like one bumper, but I decided to get 8 because it was cheaper. So a couple of weeks ago, my front bar came off because my front lip, which is no longer on, got taken off and then pulled upwards, and that's why my paint is now cracked and peeling. My neighbor just walked past and that was super awkward to do. And then, oh yeah, it also snapped my bumper things up here. Like there's a hole where it should be held now. And, so that's why we're going to use the quick release hangers to help me fill this gap and like pull my bumper up. My neighbor walked past when I was filming that and that was like super awkward to do. He was like, who the fuck is he speaking to? Just drilled the first hole, kind of regretting it already, but should be alright. Alright. So that like kind of just screwed in. We have to put these like belts on the other side. Nuts and washers. So the first one is on with the nut, and it's really tight on. So I'm going to do like a little test to see how far I have to pull it back for the whole bumper to come up. So it all tucks up about there. Front still needs like something near at the front to help it pull up. But from back here, it's about up to there. So right there. Oh, do. Second hole is in. It actually kind of hurts me doing this. Oh well. One side done. Like fairly easy, like took like 5 minutes. Now to the other side. This side always scrubs a lot, so hopefully it'll stop that as well. Take off these shitty tires. second lot are done. Yeah, they're all done. Pretty happy about that. It was a nice quick job. So it did fill the gap nicely here, but at the front it still needs to be pulled up like a tiny bit. But actually looks a lot better now. Pretty happy with it. It is uneven, but I don't know if you guys can tell. It looks pretty even, but I'm pretty sure the right side's a little bit higher than the left by like a couple of mil. That's okay. Pretty happy with it. It's a nice little add-on. Gives it a bit more character. Whew. I guess we'll see you next time. Why is it so dark? There we go. I can't see shit, my camera's fucked.
Fucking filth cunt.
You're a fraud, cunt.
Heavy chicken.
You can't look. What are you doing? I don't want to get stuck. What are you doing? You're a fucking filthy cunt.
Oi!
Cheeseburger.
That wasn't me.
Ain't no cheese.
Are you allergic to jalapenos?
Yes.
We're gonna put jalapeno. No, the other one's fine. That's a free burger.
Wait, there's another one in there?
Yeah, you don't mind.
Okay.
There's a normal cheeseburger in there. I just needed to. Also, Rachel sees you on the camera. She will fucking flip her tits. Who? Rachel. She doesn't know who I am. No, but she knows your fucking ugly head wherever you are. I better throw all these out. These are like a creepy head or something. Yeah, well. I'm gonna hit him with a broom boss because I'll fucking. Turn up!
It was good seeing you again, fam.
Okay. She's taking that cheeseburger back.
I was gonna fucking climb in there. But as soon as I tried to lift my leg, I'm like, okay, not going to work.
Fucking top kick.
Did you record that?